College isn't just about a degree. It's about discovering who you're meant to become. At St. Claret College, academic excellence is a culture. Here, learning goes beyond textbooks to research, innovation, and real-world exposure.
We are not just trained to clear exams. We are prepared to become future leaders, thinkers, and change makers.
Research projects to sports readiness, from cultural stages to national level competitions, every talent finds a platform here.
With NSS and NCC, we learn discipline, service, responsibilities, and leadership. Because education must also serve society.
If you're looking for a college that challenges you, supports you, and transforms you, this is where your journey begins. Choose excellence, choose growth, choose purpose, choose St. Claret College. Meet us in Shillong at Don Bosco Technical School on the 19th and 20th of March. For more information, visit us at claretcollege.edu.in or call us at 6361 718834.